I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Fire Alarms UK video. Today I will be doing board system test 1. So this is just a simple battery powered board system. I'm not using any panels on this or anything because, well, my panel is over there. That's the only panel I've got. If I do get another panel, I will put it on here. I don't know what that panel may be, just something reliable and cheap, like I got with that. So yeah, it's running off 3 9-volt batteries, and we've got 5 devices on here. There's also some things that are coming soon that I'd like to show you at the end of this video, but for now let's focus on the board system. So I've got 2 detectors, a cool point and 2 sounders. So the cool point is an ESP magfire cool point. As you can see, it's kind of like flush mounted. I didn't get back boxed this, but it's kind of like I had it when this board system was running off the ESP panel. I just carved a bit out of this. Well, my dad did it about like a year ago, but we had this bit carved out of the wood so that the screw terminals could fit in there. It's a bit wonky, but yeah, it'll do. It's just for demonstration purposes only. We've got a Series 65 optical smoke detector here. There's the back of it, and then there's my wiring. I've just noticed that there is no diode, but that doesn't matter because this isn't running off a panel. Up here, we've got a heat detector, Series 65 heat detector. Let's put that back on. Then down here we've got a Cranford vantage sounder. This is set to the Cranford suite. And then over here we've got a Fulleon sounder. This isn't like the Roshni's, but it's got the slow sweep on it. It's got the same tone list as the Roshni's do, so this just must be the new Roshni sounders. So they've moved on from making Roshni's. But yeah. So we're gonna go ahead with the testing now. So we're first gonna test the cool point. I'd recommend for headphone users to turn their volume down. It is very loud. But yeah, we'll go ahead and begin testing. Just get the keys ready. Go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. So there's the sounders going off. You saw the cool point light up there. But that's pretty much that. Yeah, let's go ahead and test the next device. Next device I'm going to test is the Series 65 smoke detector. I'm just going to go ahead and open my deodorant can that I've got handy here. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a quick spray. Might not have gone into the detecting chamber. Right, there we go. There it goes. Let's see if we can re-trigger it. Okay, I'm going to take it off now. Swath that out. Okay, on to the next device. And the final device of this test is the heat detector. I've got a hairdryer here and I'm going to turn it on. Noise in 3, 2, 1. actually. Right, put that there. So yeah, there is the devices tested. So yeah, we'll just wait for that to cool down a bit. It's not hot enough to reactivate, but yeah. So there is the devices tested. And now looking into the future, I did manage to get some devices off one of my friends who is not into fire alarm systems anymore, but so he's given me some of his devices. He gave me a CQR call point, but that was broken. Because it had wires missing. And then he also gave me this Chabrossi. These are devices that I've given to him in the past, but he's given them back to me because he has lost interest in fire alarms, but yeah. So I'm glad I've got the Chabrossi now. So yeah, this is probably the newest device I did. Yeah, quite cool. It's a bit similar to that sounder. This Chabrossi originally came from a decommissioned system at my school, because they used to use a Nitan addressable system, and this was on the conventional sounder. So okay, yeah, I managed to get this device off and salvage it. Yeah, quite cool. And then also in the work, a new room system is in the works. The only things I'm going to give away in the room system is just panel, and then I've also wanting to put a cool point up here. The KAC cool point, I have currently little prongs on the cool point that keep the reset element that have kind of nearly broken off. So yeah, the cool point, the chin on the cool point won't stay up. So I've ordered a new KAC cool point. That's meant to get here on Tuesday. I'm also hoping it comes with a break glass, because I want to break it. If I do get a break glass, I'll break that glass on the room system at 100 subscribers. So yeah, if I do get glass, that is, and I don't hit 100 subscribers by then. But anyway, that is all from me for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everyone.